your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. And that bitch, I ain't even gonna hold it.
Hey Bougie Babes, it's Barbie and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the Bougie crew because it's the Bougie way or no way, period. Today I am back with another hair review / hair install, whatever you want to call it. And I am wearing Julia hair. And this is their 20-inch, 150 density, 360 lace wig. Yeah, this was a 360 wig. I did not install it fully like 360 because I don't know how. I just did front lace. So I just did a quick little, oh, this is their BODYWAVE wig also, by the way. I didn't say that. Did I say BODYWAVE? BODYWAVE 20-inch, 150 density, 360. All that, okay? It's gonna all be in the description, okay, y'all? Like, sorry. But yeah, so this is 20 inches. And I didn't really wet it down that much. I really just used some foam to keep the waves in. And then I just did like a little swoop. Something simple, something cute, something easy. This was a quick install. It took me like 30 minutes in real life. So, and I just did like, you know, some quick little baby hairs. And that's pretty much it. I really like this look. It's like super natural, not doing too much, none of that. So I'll leave a comment, let me know what y'all think, and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I hope y'all enjoy. So first things first, I'm going to use my powder foundation in the color Java and put it on the front of the lace instead of bleaching the knots. After that, I will put the wig on and try to, you know, adjust it to my head, fit it to my head, whatever. This wig was huge, so it was kind of like floating. It felt like it was floating, but y'all know I always get it right. I always fix it. So stay tuned so you can see what I did and how I installed this bomb wig. So now that I've cut the lace by the ears, I'm going to go ahead and use my Bougie Barbie hair gel, which will restock soon, as well as the Gotta Be Free spray, and I'm going to put it around my hairline and blow dry it until it's tacky. And then I'm going to place the lace on top of the product and press the lace and the hair into the product and blow dry it as well, so that way it will stick in place. With this wig, I have to do like sections of blow drying instead of like going all the way around. I have to like blow dry one side, completely dry first, and then move to the next side, because like I said, this wig was kind of too big for me. So if I was to like, it would kind of like shift back, and I didn't want that. So that's why I did it in sections. Alright, now that it's completely dry, I'm going to go in with my scissors and cut the front of the lace off. So all I'm pretty much doing is just following the hairline, you guys. That's it. Just follow the hairline and cut in a zigzag motion, so that way it won't just like a helmet on top of your head. The zigzag motion makes it look like, it makes it lay naturally. So yeah. Okay, now as for all of the pieces that did not stick down, I'm going to go in with my freeze spray again and just spray over them and blow dry them. My powder foundation to put on the lace, so that way it will match my skin tone and look natural. Now I want to get ready to style my hair, so I'm just going to go in and part it. I'm going to do like a little side part swoop. And I'm using my hot comb and my Bougie Barbie wax stick, which will be in stock again very soon. And I am just basically just putting that on the part, so that way it will lay flat. Oh yeah, and then I did go in and pluck just a little bit. So now I'm just going to pin the hair out of the way so I can go ahead and do my baby hairs. You can do yours however you would like. This is how I'm doing mine for this particular look. I did go in and flat iron the bang that I'm going to be using so that way it will lay flat, and I did use some freeze spray as well as my wax stick, you know, to kind of slick it down very neatly. To go in with some mousse and just put it on the hair, comb through it, and that's pretty much it, just to, you know, keep the wave or whatever. So yeah, this is going to be the finished look, And don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. If you would like to purchase this wig, the links will be in my description, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoy. See y'all in the next video. Bye, bougie babes.